Edward here, back with another video. Thank you so much for being here again. Today I want to actually create a little series again, this continuation, because I see that still a lot of people requesting this thing, and it's regarding market structure. Okay, this is very important, very important. If you are watching this for the first time, I recommend you watching the actual playlist that I have created for you. I'm going to leave it somewhere here above on the top right corner. There's a playlist based on smart money concept. I do explain already, I do talk about market structure in there. And if you want, go watch that playlist first before you actually jump into here. There's a lot of videos in there. You can actually take that as a mini or a free course on smart money concept if you want. So go ahead and check that out. And if you already watched that, then this one you're going to understand it better and maybe a little quicker, right? So let's go ahead and start. So since I'm going to be breaking down this thing into different parts, okay, this first video I'm going to show you about the same structure, right? Basically, when we are having an impulse, correction, impulse, correction, impulse. Sometimes what we're going to see is an apparent break of a structure of this low, right? And we're actually looking to go selling, but instead the market actually does this, right? And right here I'm going to show you that we're going to have, okay, we can say that this was a boss right here. This was another boss. And now we're having a change of character right here, apparently, right? This is what we're going to talk about. That in which is not. It actually ends up being just a liquidity grab, right? Because it's a fake chart. The market, normally a smart money trader, when they see a change of character, they're normally looking for an order block somewhere here, right? So you can go selling, right? But why is it actually pushing back up? It's because of that. It's totally normal. This happens. It does happen a lot. Sort of manipulation. It's a fake out or a fake change of character. It's basically a sweep. The market is doing a sweep. This has different names. This actually has different names, but it all end up being the same thing, which is money. Okay, literally this is just money. The market is just sweeping these lows and even inducing people to go selling now, right? And when in reality this thing is actually going to go up. All right, and I'm going to show you a little breakdown here on Euro USD so you can understand and see where this actually happens and how it happens, and that you will see that this is actually normal. It's not that you are marking up your structure incorrect. No, it's completely normal. Okay, we are going to have fake change of characters. If you ask me, oh Eduardo, how can I prevent that? How can we predict a fake change of character? We don't. We can predict a fake change of character. If you had like this drop right here and you spotted your nice order block right there and you took this sale and it turns out that one doesn't play out, accept it. Just that. Just accept it. You're not going to be able to win all of these trades all the time. Okay? If your intention was actually to sell from here, right? From here to here, to here, you spotted a nice order block, you have imbalance, you have all your confluences to go selling, right? Because you saw that apparent change of character right there, and that thing doesn't play out. It is what it is. You didn't know. It's impossible to know when is a fake change of character happening. Okay, you can find some little clues here and there, but at the end of the day, if it's a loss, it's a loss. The market reached halfway down. I mean, come on, you should be on break even already. And you know, whatever rule you have in there, you should be on break even, taking partial profits, but stop you out on break even, right? That's it. As long as you have a plan on how to trade your setups, cool. Which is basically what I teach on on the VIP group that I have. So let me go ahead and now jump on the chart, and let's go ahead from this mini trend that we are actually having right here. As a matter of fact, we can see the market actually is going up. We do see a little push, correction, push, little correction right here. You see it induced right there before breaking, right? So that means that this high right here, I'm gonna mark it up right here. It is definitely a boss. Why? Because it induced this previous low right here. So this is a little inducement or liquidity taken. Okay, I'm gonna mark it up this way. That's a little inducement right there. That confirms that's my higher high. And so far this is my higher low, right? Now, after the break happens, you see a push right here. Market is inducing, at least taking this little consolidation right there. The downside, it took that liquidity and now broke to the upside. So we have a break of the structure. We have a boss. Okay, market definitely broke, to the upside. Right? Now, again, what do we have? In this push, what we see is the market pushed up from here, minor correction, push, correction is inducing. The market is taking liquidity right here, inducing there. Right? Nice. That means that now, if the price breaks this high, this would be my boss. Okay? From here, like this push, correction, and push higher, this is not a boss. This is an inducement because there is no liquidity taken. The market just simply, you can clearly see, price pushed, minor correction, not taking any liquidity here, and then pushed up again. So it's inducement, right? Now, when the market after creates a high, it drops and takes this first liquidity from that low, that is our confirmation that now if the price breaks above, that's my confirmed boss. So far, we're marking up the structure that way. Like from here, we see, let me mark it up. So from here we have, the market is actually pushing up, not directly, but it's creating a little minor trend right there, right? So let's say this is our high, and now market is pulling back. That pullback is definitely taking this liquidity, so we can say definitely, let's mark it up this one. We do have inducement here, which is the first inducement, and then we have above this high, we have a break of the structure, right? This is my boss. Now pay attention. Let me see if I can actually mark it out with this little circle right here. This is a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Confirmed, okay? Higher high, my confirmed higher high here, my confirmed higher low, right? Confirmed higher high, confirmed higher low. I'm marking them up just to understand that that the change of character normally would happen if it breaks, right? If it breaks here, it would be a change of character. But because the price created a new higher high and a confirmed higher low after this boss, that means that my change of character will now be somewhere here, right? This would be my change of character if it breaks. If it breaks, right? Something like that, right? We're marking up our structure. The actual structure would be something like this, right? Push, correction, push, correction, push, correction, push, correction, and so far we're right here, right? That's the actual structure. That's the movement of the structure right now, right? With a high, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low. So that way we mark it up correctly, okay? It's very important to know because you will get confused if you don't know how to mark it up correctly, okay? As I mentioned, if you haven't seen the playlist, please watch it up on the top of the screen right here. I do have a playlist that is going to explain all of that stuff. So now let's keep watching from here. We're going to continue, see if the market will continue bullish or is it going to go bearish. Okay, now let's see. Look at what's happening. At this point, I can actually stop it from here. Look, market created this high, right? And then started to drop. You see that it did took this liquidity from here. That is telling me that that's an inducement. So that means that if the price, after this inducement, if the price happened to break this high, then I do have a boss right here, right? Correct? So let's see. Like so far, we have to wait for the market to complete and see if it's going to break to the upside, so we can have the continuation of the structure. But so far, we don't have a break of the structure. We don't have a boss to the upside. The last boss confirmed was actually right here, right? So let's see. It's taking a little longer. All right. Is it breaking? Yeah, it's actually breaking now to the upside. So we can say that we do have a boss, a break of the structure. You see, the market did not break, did not create a change of character, right? So if now breaks, which is breaking now to the upside, guess what? My change of character would be moved to here. This is my next higher low. This is my high, higher low, confirmed. Okay, so I'm just going to do this, mark it up, and I will just simply continue that way. Okay, that's basically how you mark the structure up. All right, understanding we're still bullish. We are still bullish. Some people will actually be marking up that right here, this position, that this is a change of character. People will be saying already, oh, this is a change of character right here at this point, right? When the price breaks this low, they're already just assuming that's a change of character. No, there is no change of character. You are not paying attention to the actual structure. There is no change of character until the market breaks the confirmed, in this case, higher low, right? It did not break my confirmed higher low. The market is just breaking a minor structure internally right there, and it's just pulling back basically. Then after that, price goes up and breaks. Now my confirmed higher low is here, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do this. You see, since then the market just started breaking the structure and you can just continue pushing up and up and up, right? But it's very important, guys, that I see many people just thinking that this is already a change of character right here. Actually, some students are still confused in this type of thing, right? And they would actually be looking for a sell, which actually it did play out, luckily, right, on this little sell, but it's a mistake. This is not a change of character. Okay, the change of character would happen below that confirmed higher low. Okay, it is very, very important. As I mentioned, this is just the first part of this series that I'm going to be posting, and I hope you guys understand. All right, and I will see you in the next video. Remember, this is part 1. All right, just wait for part 2 to actually come out, and I hope you like this type of series, guys. Let me know in the comment section below if you really want to see more and more about this. I will continue updating and upgrading this thing, and so you guys can literally understand and master on how to, mark your structure up. All right, so I'll see you guys in the next video.